This homeowner put up a wooden bat house years ago, but over time it fell apart, and one day it literally fell off its post onto the ground. They wisely replaced it with a plastic-shelled BCM Bat house, which will last much longer without maintenance. They have a model site near trees, but not shaded by trees, and near a freshwater pond for water and insect diversity. Most bat houses are trying to attract pregnant mother bats looking for a safe place to raise their young. She's looking for certain kinds of crevices that will be about 100 degrees, so energy isn't wasted trying to stay warm. At dusk, most emerge to travel hundreds of miles a night, and one may eat up to 1,000 insects an hour. Texas farmers have reported a cost savings of nearly $74 per acre by not needing as much pesticides after bat roosts were constructed nearby, and bats almost immediately moved into the area. The chirps you can hear at bat roosts are social chatter. Now this is different than echolocation calls used to track objects, which is usually above our range of hearing. No one really knows what bats are saying to each other here, but they probably have the same kind of conversations we would, such as, "Where are we going tonight?" and "Where were the good bugs last night?" and "Who is going with who?" and so on and so forth. Later, it is quiet near the bat house, but a night vision camera reveals there's plenty of bats revisiting this roost. The bats have switched to using echolocation, which we cannot hear, which is actually a good thing because the ultrasound that they make is as loud as a smoke alarm if we could hear it. These Mexican free-tail bats are very social. They travel in gangs looking for wherever the best insects happen to be tonight, but by dawn they will be safely snuggled back in this BCM bat house.